Hi. I guess we can call this one more tips and tricks. A while ago I bought this coaxial indicator, which is kind of cool. As you can see, I'm set up on the dead center, or the live center. I'm hoping that's true. But as you can see, as I'm rotating it around, it's off center by a little bit. Now I've already made a little adjustment, but you can see the tailstock by this indicator is to the rear of where it should be. It's only a few thousandths off, but it's a matter of making an adjustment on the tailstock slide, checking it out, make another adjustment, and so on. Now I've got a little ways to go, but hey, this is what I'm in the hobby for. I'd also like to talk about these squares. I bought these from Banggood, and those of you that looked at Banggood know that they're cheap. And the only way I've got to check these squares is to check them against each other. And I've done that by setting up one on the other and then looking for a gap, a light. See if I can see, they don't line up. They're not perfect. Hey, what do you get for $3 or $4? They're pretty cheap. But anyways, those of you with access to a surface grinder can make them much better, because these things are solidly put together. They they don't move when you drop them. You know, of course you're not supposed to drop them. And they're marked 125 by 80, 200 by 125. You know, I'm assuming, yeah, that's. Anyways, so there you go. Banggood can be a resource as long as you don't count on it being super accurate. Again, someday I will get a surface grinder and I will correct all this stuff. But hey, for the price, I've got some tools. Anyways, there you go. Have fun.